Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, and in today's video we will be cracking WEP Wi-Fi security password. So let's get started. So now let's see the Wi-Fi's which are available in our range. So we will be using Aerodump NG to see the Wi-Fi's available. So I have created test AP with security WEP for this video. So now we will be capturing packets of Wi-Fi test underscore AP. So we will be using Aerodump NG, BSS ID, then the BSS ID of that Wi-Fi, then channel number, and to crack WEP we have to just capture a large number of packets which are commonly known as IVs to crack the password using AirCrack NG. So now simultaneously we will be running some another commands like AirPlay NG for fake authentication. It is only used to communicate and tell the Wi-Fi to accept our request and do not ignore as we are trying to connect. So AirPlay NG fake authentication 0 for as we are trying to just once connect, and then -A, after that the BSS ID of the Wi-Fi, and then -H, then our wireless adapters MAC address. So we will be removing all the dash and replacing it with colons. As we are in monitor mode, so you can see the Wi-Fi MAC address is like this. So we will be changing it, then followed by our wireless adapters name. Now we will be running the fake authentication attack. For ARP request replay attack, the command is similar to fake authentication, that's why I am copying it, and I will do some changes like replace A with B and no need for a number, and replace fake authentication with ARP replay. What it will be doing is it will capture the ARP packet and replay it, retransmit it to produce new IVs. We have to do this till we have enough IVs to crack the key. So now let's wait until it captures the ARP packet, and once it captures it, it will resend it, and then the data which you can see in the left side, it will be increasing on a faster rate. Till now you can see that the data is not increasing at a faster rate. So we should wait until it captures. So now you can see that the data, the ARP has been captured and retransmitting it, and you can see the simultaneously the data is been increasing on a faster rate. So let's wait till it captures data till 30,000, at least 30,000 IVs, and then we will be using AirCrack NG to crack the key. Sometimes it fails to crack the key and it suggests to capture more IVs. Like if we fail at 30,000, so it will suggest that we should capture till 35,000 IVs. So you should keep in mind, if it fails, you can capture more IVs and again try to break it and find the key. So let's fast forward it a little bit. So you can see that on this number of IVs, it is not cracking and it is suggesting to Next try on 25,000 IVs. So I will do it again. So now we have captured around 32,000 IVs, and it is suggesting that try on 35,000. So we will be trying on 35,000. So let's try once again, because we have captured now around 41,000, and now you can see that we have decrypted it correctly and the key has been found, and you can use this ASCII to connect to that Wi-Fi, which is tryhackme34. Thank you, and for more videos like this, please stay tuned to our channel.